suspense end in just the next few hours now, because it is the nomination day as well. Rahul Gandhi, we are told, according to our inside sources, to fight from Rai Bareli, which has been Sonia Gandhi's bastion. And our sources add that Priyanka Gandhi may enter, if she takes to the electoral politics, from Amethi. So there could be a switch, as was earlier speculated, that it could be Priyanka Gandhi from Rai Bareli to fill in Sonia Gandhi's shoes, and Rahul from Amethi, as he has already been an MP from there. But could there be a swap in this case, that Rahul Gandhi could contest from Rai Bareli now, and Priyanka Gandhi's first jump into electoral politics could be against Smriti Irani from Amethi? But amid all of this, of course, the big issue will be if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has decided to make an election debut. Because till now, it appears that she's constantly trying to defer it. She wants to be the big star campaigner, focus on campaigning, not contest the elections. But this is definitely the big political newsquake that I'm bringing to you according to our sources. And I eventually will go across to India Today's Samarth Srivastav and all our colleagues who've been tracking the latest from Amethi and Rai Bareli. Samarth, if I'm correct, you are in Rai Bareli, which was Sonia Gandhi's bastion. Many thought that since she moved to Rajya Sabha, it will be Priyanka Gandhi who will take the plunge. What are you picking now? What's happening on the ground? What is the mood like?
Well, exactly. The Congress workers out here are enthusiastic. They were here at the party office around 12 a.m. yesterday, and again, few workers I can see they have again arrived right here. And I'll also try to speak to some of them. But what we are getting from the Rai Bareli Congress sources, Rahul Gandhi is likely to arrive at around 10 a.m. at the Fursadganj airport, and later he'll move to the Bhume guest house around 11 a.m. And we can expect, as per the sources, around 12:15 a.m. he could be filing the nomination papers from Rai Bareli. And I've been joined by some local leaders. क्या info मिला है आप लोग को? राहुल गांधी यहाँ से आ रहे हैं या प्रियंका गांधी आ रहे हैं?
नहीं, यहाँ पर हमारे माननीय श्री राहुल गांधी जी आ रहे हैं और भव्य स्वागत के साथ उनको हम लोग स्वागत करेंगे, और उनकी जीत लगभग कम से कम 5 लाख वोटों से होगी। प्रोग्राम बस 11 बजे हमारा है और बिल्कुल आ जाएंगे, आप लोग चिंता ना करें।
10 बजे आ रहे हैं
यहाँ पे 10 बजे आ रहे हैं, फुर्सत में आ रहे हैं, यहाँ 10 बजे पहुँच जाएंगे। इसके बाद सारे प्रोग्राम नियमानुसार होंगे।
नामांकन कितने बजे तक?
नामांकन की डेट समय अभी हम नहीं बता सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये शीर्ष नेतृत्व का काम है। ज्यादा बोलना मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग जमीनी स्तर पर काम करने वाले लीडर हैं।
So as you can clearly listen from what the local leaders right here are claiming that Rahul Gandhi is arriving Rai Bareli, which is a clear indication that there is something in what happening in the Delhi Congress leadership. They have made some smart move, you can say, in a way replacing, taking Rahul from Rai Bareli and Priyanka from Amethi. What we are getting from our sources. Back to you.
But when is the big announcement? Because I think we are done with speculations, we are done with conjectures and guess game. So what are you hearing, Samarth? When will that big announcement come in? Because it is the nomination filing deadline also that's arriving.
See, Pooja, I'm reporting from here since yesterday morning, and we expected, and also the Congress leaders right here were expecting the list to come around lately around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. yesterday. But when the list did not come, they only said that we don't think that any list would be coming, and only you can clearly see the leader, whosoever will be filing the nomination, will arrive, because it also happened.
Stay on with me, Samarth. Stay on with me, because you know what is the confusion? Why can't a decision be taken now that nomination deadline is here? Mosmi Singh joins me this morning as she's been running from one state to another. Mosmi, I bring you in. Good morning. When is the big announcement? And according to your sources, why possibly this swap of Rahul from Rai Bareli, Priyanka from Amethi, if that happens? Go ahead. First, when is the announcement?
So, Pooja, the announcement could happen any time now, but that's like merely a formality, because ideally an announcement happens days before the nominations are filed, and here, this is the very last day. It's the last day where you have almost 6 hours and 3 p.m. nominations close. But we are learning from our sources that it's highly likely that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be contesting the elections. We have our sources telling us that the swap of constituencies could happen. In fact, Rahul Gandhi could switch over and Priyanka could make a electoral debut from Amethi. And the reason being is that, if you see that, if you connect the dots, all Gandhi family members have debuted from Amethi. The other reason could be that there's been a very, very high-pitched, high-octane campaign by Union Minister Smriti Irani. And there have been several barbs and digs taken at, pot shots taken at the brother-in-law of Rahul Gandhi. So perhaps, the Congress thought that it would be best to pitch Priyanka Gandhi against Smriti Irani, so that it's the war of words. If it escalates, Priyanka Gandhi would in fact match the attack and counter-attack. So perhaps, the switch of constituency is happening for that reason as well. Another reason could also be that Raebareli, has been like a traditional bastion of the Gandhis. For 70 years, Raebareli was, the first entrant from the Gandhi family. Feroz Gandhi won this seat, and it's been passed on to Sonia Gandhi through her mother-in-law. So clearly Raebareli is very close to the heart of the Gandhi family, and they feel that when all was lost in UP, only one seat that they could actually save was Raebareli. And that's one reason that, Rahul Gandhi now, who has a lot to campaign and contest, and in fact, as far as, national politics is concerned, he will be more at ease now, having been MP several times, to switch over to Raebareli.
So, Mausami, today is, we are told, as the nomination deadline ends, we'll have to have a confirmation yet. What do you think has been the kind of discussions within? Because what I find very surprising is why this delay? Because even though BJP waited for a long time for Raebareli, then they've announced the candidate. What is your assessment? Did they want to be very sure? Did they want to build on this suspense? Because eventually even the cadre is wondering, who do we campaign for? When do we campaign? What's happening on the ground? The party workers also are wondering.
Right. The fact is that they've already done their groundwork. The ground team is in place. We are told that the BLOs, that's the block level officers, the booth agents, they've been at it for the past 6 months in Amethi and Raebareli. New teams were formed. Everybody's emotions have been kept in place. So, there are lieutenants of the Gandhi family, lieutenants of the Congress who've been associated with the Congress in the past in Amethi and Raebareli. They've got their boots on the ground. And, this confidence of the Gandhi family, or perhaps the Congress, stems from the internal feedback that they've got as far as, winning Amethi and Raebareli is concerned. It could be right or wrong. They feel that if a Gandhi family member comes, the feedback that Sunil Konugolu's team also gave, that both Amethi and Raebareli victory was not far away. And having pitched Dinesh Pratap Singh from the BJP, the Congress thinks that it's a very, very very easy battle fought in Raebareli, would be fought in Raebareli, because Dinesh Pratap Singh was a switchover from the Congress. He remained an MLC. He campaigned for Sonia Gandhi and was a close aide of the Gandhi family in Raebareli. So the Congress couldn't, the BJP, they feel, couldn't find another substitute for him and were in dearth of candidates. So matching the stature of Rahul Gandhi is what the Congress feels. And that's one reason that you see that both of them perhaps would be taking the plunge here in Raebareli and Amethi.